Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn alphabet and numbers. Let's trace and paint them together.
Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went,
A,
Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
B, C,
Her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was
D,
against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made
E,
the children laugh and play to see a lamb at
1, 2,
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it
3,
out, turned it out, and so the teacher turned it out, but
4,
still it lingered near, and waited patiently about,
5,
patiently about, and waited patiently
red
about
color,
till Mary did appear.
orange color,
Why does the
yellow color,
Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why
blue
does
color,
the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried.
green color,
Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb,
purple
you
color,
know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did
pink color,
reply.
brown color,
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as
A is for
snow.
airplane, it flies in the sky. B is for baby, sometimes it may cry. C is for clock, it tells you the time. D is for diamond, see how it shines. E is for elephant, bigger than me. 1 baby arrives. 2 tiny hands hold. 3 sweet kisses given. 4 cozy blankets wrapped. 5 flowers bloom. A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.